So you can see all these teams are generated and all these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all are very accurate teams. Hi guys, in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between ISL versus KR. So what we are going to do here is that first of all we will analyze the data, and based on the data we will use our team generator software in order to generate the Grand League winning teams. So first of all let's analyze the probable playing 11 for the today's match. So the probable playing 11 from ISL side will be Usman Khawaja, Colin Munro, R. Nazir, Shadab Khan, H. Talat, I. Ahmad, Asif Ali, Muhammad Musa, F. Ahmad, A. Khan and Muhammad Wasim Jr. And from the KR side, S. Khan, Martin Guptill, Babar Azam, Chadwick Walton, Thisara Pereira, N. Jadran, Imad Wasim, Muhammad Amir, Arshad Iqbal, Waqas Maqsood and Kasim Akram will be the probable playing from KR side. And let's analyze the top players from both the sides as well. From the ISL side, Usman Khawaja, Colin Munro, Shadab Khan and Asif Ali. And from the KR side, Martin Guptill, Babar Azam, Thisara Pereira and Imad Wasim will be the top players from both the sides. And also let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch because the same pitch has been have been using for the previous matches as well. So the average score will be 158 runs, and one thing you should remember here is that the team which is bowling first will have higher chances of winning. So you can consider after the toss you can consider which team is gonna win by using this statistic. After that let's analyze some of the specific points in our team generator software so that you can crack the Grand Leagues. The specific points will be the credit range. So credit range is very important aspect. Basically if you want risky Grand League teams, you can go for 97 to 100 or 95 to 100 as the credit range, and if you want normal and standard Grand League teams, so you can go for 98.5 to 100 or 98 to 100 as the total team credit range. And if you want head-to-head teams or small league teams, you can go for 99 to 100 or 99.5 to 100 is also there, so is also fine. And both the teams ISL and KR are equally balanced teams, so you can go for 6 players from ISL and 5 players from KR, and 5 players from ISL and 6 players from KR. Or if you want to, if you want to favor one team, then you have to go 7 players from one team and 4 players from other team if you are very sure about one team that is gonna win. And after that the important strategies here is that, so you can go for 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 4 bowlers, and 1 wicket keeper, 5 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowlers, and also 1 wicket keeper, 5 batsmen, 1 all-rounder and 4 bowlers, because wicket keeper section is almost there is no need to sell 2 players for this particular match, and also there are good batsman section is high, and also bowler section is also high, and all-rounder section is a little low, so you don't have to select 3 all-rounders basically. So by using all the data that we have discussed right now, let's analyze, let's generate the teams by using our team generator software. So let's jump into our software. So this is how the software look like, and those who don't know about this software, I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. You can contact me for those who want to know the details. So first of all, this is a software, it is advanced team generator software. It uses multiple data to generate the Grand League winning teams as well as small league winning teams as well. So first of all let's click on cricket here, and after that generate teams, and we need to choose the fantasy. Here you can choose any fantasy, and here I am choosing Dream11, and after that continue. So you can see there are list of series available here. So PSL is what we are going to select, and after that continue. And there are 3 sections here. The first 2 sections are for those who want to those who don't have much knowledge on cricket, I mean those who don't have much knowledge on fantasy, they just go for these 2 sections, because in this section the software will create the teams from everything A to Z. You don't have to do anything, you just need to sell the players in these 2 sections. And this is a third section that we are going to use today, because we need to give some of our data along with the software so that we can generate even more powerful teams. So let's click on advanced generation section, and we need to choose the match here. So the match is between ISL versus Karachi. So KR, and after that continue, and we need to select the you need to give the match number. You can give any match number, because whatever the teams you generate in the software, those teams will be saved within your device. So it is better to give any match number. Let me give 50 as the match number. And by the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile. And continue here, and we need to select at least 6 players from each side. That means you can select all the 11 players from both the sides. I am going to select all the 22 players from both the sides. So PSL is new to me, that's why I am going to select all the players by watching the list here. So I am going to select, let me give me a second here. So I am going to select all the 22 players from both the sides. So let me quickly select all the players. So you can see I have selected all the 11 players from both the sides, and after that we need to click on continue here, and after that we need to select the fixed players. Here fixed players means whatever the players you select in this section, that player will be there in every team. So you have to be careful here. For example, if you think Babar Azam will definitely play today, then you can fix him for all the teams. If you want to go for a risky grand leagues, because we never know in PSL or we never know in cricket who is gonna play well, so in that case you can leave this section as it is. You don't have to select any players here, and after that continue, and we need to select some of the players you want to consider for captain selection. So you need to select some of the top players from both the sides. So you can select some of the players as captain selection here. And from the KR side, so these are the players. So after that continue, and also same as the vice captain, we need to select the vice captain as well. So you can select any number of players here. So you can select any number of players, and also from the KR side. So let me quickly select the players I feel as they have the potential to become the vice captain. So after that continue here, and we need to give the team partition strategy. I have already given you the team partition strategy, which is 5-6 and 6-5, and after that continue, and we need to enter the credit range, which is 98.5 to 98.5 to 100 as the credit range. You can also give 99 to 100 and 97 to 100, that is completely up to you. And after that continue here, and I have already given you some of the strategies here, and these are the strategies that we are going to go today. So these are the 3 strategies, and after that continue. You can select all these strategies, but I have given 3 strategies. You can also include on your own, and after that continue, and we need to enter the number of teams you want to generate. You can generate anywhere between 1 to 3,333 teams, but you don't need that many teams. Basically you just need 11 teams, or even less than that, to crack the Grand League. So I'm going to give 11 as the number of teams, and continue. So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all are very accurate teams. So I hope you guys like this video, and those who have the interest on this application, on this software, you can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. So thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.